Howdy everyone, Nimby here. Today we're going to be tying the Renegade on a size 8 standard dry fly hook with black 8/0 thread, medium gold tinsel, Peacock Herl for the body, and a brown rear hackle with a white front hackle one size larger than the rear. Start with your medium gold tinsel. In this case we're going to start with hair extensions in a gold holographic. The hair extensions are not only more flexible but stronger and allow you to wrap down the tag on the bend of the hook. After laying a thread base up to the barb of the hook, you can tie in your tinsel. Tie in your tag with 9 tight overlapping turns right to the base and then 9 turns back. Tie off your tinsel with 1 wrap over and 2 wraps behind, and then clip off the excess. Next, select a brown dry fly hackle. Remove a bit more material at the top of your tie-in point. This will give you cleaner wraps when you start. You can tie it in just before the tag. Bend the stem or rachis 90 degrees to the hook. This will make it much easier to wrap in a straight line. 5 to 6 tight touching wraps at the back should be enough. Then lock it in with 1 wrap over and 3 wraps behind. And snip the excess free. If you run your fingernail across Peacock Herl, it'll break right at the weak point, getting rid of the brittle ends. The Peacock Herl and leaving a bit of room at the head for the hackle. You can use between 2 and 4 Peacock Herls, depending on the size of your hook and the quality of the Herl. After making 2 to 3 wraps, you can twist the Herl into a small rope, and this will make it a little bit more durable and keep it together for you. 1 wrap over and 3 behind to lock it in place, and snip your excess free. The front hackle should be 1 to 2 sizes larger than the rear, and it should be prepared in the same manner. After it's tied in, just remove your tag end. Try to get in at least 5 to 7 tight touching wraps. This will make a nice profile. And secure in place with 1 wrap behind and 3 wraps in the front. And cut your tag end free. I always like throwing a quick half hitch after hackles just as a save point. Brush the hackle back with your fingers. This will allow you room to clean up the head and tie down any tag ends. Adding a little violin rosin will help the knot secure after the whip finish. And we'll give her 5 turns and then draw her tight. Cut your thread free and apply a little bit of head cement. And now you have a Renegade in your vise. Originally tied by Taylor Williams around the 1920s, this is an Attractor fly that's been around for a good long time and has proven its worth. Add a couple to your box this season.